get started with the first reason why everyone should own a 3D printer. The first one would be saving money on gifts. How many times a year do you have to give someone a gift, whether it's for Christmas, birthday, or any kind of special occasion? You're probably spending quite a bit of money on gifts, and with a 3D printer, you're able to save a ton of money and give someone a very nice personalized gift. You have over 1,000 prints that you can make with a 3D printer, anywhere from a makeup holder to a cool toy, something that you might need. Anything you can really make on a 3D printer that would make a great gift. For instance, I provided my friend that his birthday just recently happened, and I gave him a Twitch symbol because he just really got into Twitch recently, and I put his Twitch tag on it, and he really appreciated that gift. It was very nice, very personalized, and it cost me less than 50 cents probably, just with the filament that it took to make this gift, and he really loved it, so it was great. And it just giving people gifts with your 3D printer is really gonna pay the printer off very quickly, just doing that. So that would be the first one. So the second one I would say is printing things that you need. So not everything that you print is going to be a little trinket or a little toy that doesn't really have any use. But you can also print things like tools or different home things that you could print, like a mount for your remote. There's just a ton of different things, over 1,000 prints that are actually useful on Maker World, or you can create your own custom thing that you might need. I, for instance, 3D printed a mount for my VR headset, and it was something that I needed to be able to organize my area and be able to have my VR headset readily available and very organized on the wall, and it looks cool. So that was something that I needed, and I was able to print it on my 3D printer, which is super cool. So this one goes hand in hand with the last one, but it would be saving money on the things that you need. So to 3D print the mount that I made for my VR headset, normally if I got that on Amazon or any kind of store, it would be well over 20 bucks at least to have something that I can use to mount my VR headset. I probably spent less than $1 in filament just creating that mount for my VR headset. You also feel accomplished because, even though I didn't create the design, I did print it myself. I chose the color that I wanted, and it's just a cool feeling being able to print the things that you need without having to, spend a lot of money. Also, I don't think I've ever seen as cool of a VR headset mount as the thing that I printed out. Even the ones that you purchase, I don't think are as cool as this. And I will be putting that print for my VR headset, if you by any chance have a VR headset, at primestronaut.com for you guys to download and print out. This next one would be make things that you can't really buy. So I needed to organize the bottom of my desk. I have like a power strip, and I also have these little HDMI switchers so I can switch between my main computer and my side computer for the monitors. And there wasn't really any kind of mount for these little HDMI switchers. I did try Velcro, but the Velcro would melt off once the computer's on for a while. So my cables ended up on the floor anyways with that little HDMI thing. So what I did is I printed out something for first my power strip, which was also falling to the floor after a little bit with the Velcro pieces. And then I actually molded that same print, which I downloaded on Maker World, and I molded it to fit the HDMI ports. And you can't really buy this, so it was really cool that I was able to print it and organize my work area. So that, I would say, that's a pretty cool thing, that you can design and custom make things for your specific needs like that. For the fifth thing, I would say is help your creativity. I think as we get older, we stop being as creative as we were as kids. And 3D printing is just something that really expands your creativity. I am so thoroughly impressed by all the different designs that are available on Maker World. And these designs are created by people like you and me. Like, these people just create a design they think could be useful, and then they share it with a big community of people that are really into 3D printing. So this definitely helps your creativity, and I think it's something that we all need. And having a 3D printer really expands that creativity. So that would be the fifth reason why. Sixth thing is creating a prototype. If you've ever had an idea of maybe a business or a product idea, and you've always wanted to bring that to life, but you've been scared to do so due to being very expensive, I'm sure it's in the thousands of dollars to create a prototype. Getting a 3D printer really is able to let you create something that you've always thought of doing for a very, very cheap and inexpensive price to get started doing something like that. I know there was a creator that created some sort of design that you squeeze, and it's for like nerve sensitivity or something like that. And he was able to make that successful, and he made the design with a 3D printer and started selling that product. And that's pretty cool, and it's something that you are able to do with a 3D printer. So it's pretty cool that maybe eventually you'll be able to bring that idea to life. Maybe go to Shark Tank. The seventh thing, I don't relate too much to it just because I don't have any kids, but this would be great for getting kids started in thinking about engineering or just having fun doing something with technology, something that's probably going to expand in the future and something that you can get them interested in at an early age. You literally have a toy making factory at your house that you can print out pretty much any kind of toy. There's so many designs on Maker World. Maybe eventually have your kids designing their own toys. I think this would be amazing to get kids into, and definitely something I wish I could have done as a kid, but the 3D printers were not even a thought in the world. So it's crazy how much technology has improved, and this is definitely a great hobby for kids to get into that you're also able to join them in. So this is a good one. And the eighth reason, you're able to print things that you've always wanted to own. Think about like sci-fi movies or animes. As you can tell, I'm an anime fan. I got Naruto on my hoodie. You're able to print things from those nostalgic things that you've always wanted to own for a very cheap price, because you're able to print these things out yourself and you're able to display them around wherever you want to display them. And that is pretty cool. That is something very unique that you're able to do with a 3D printer. I've been watching this guy that's been creating life-size anime characters like Goku, Super Saiyan 4 Goku, Cell. It's absolutely insane what he's been able to do. I might actually do a video on him because I'm so impressed by what he's been able to 3D print. And then he's definitely an artist because he draws or paints these statues that he makes, and they turn out phenomenal. So that is something really cool that you're able to do with a 3D printer. Print out whatever prop or cool nostalgic item that you've always wanted to own. So that's definitely really cool. All right, ninth reason is they just simply look awesome. These can be displayed in any space, a game room, or anywhere else you'd want to display a piece of technology. 3D printers just look awesome being displayed, especially like the ones that are enclosed. Like my Kobra S1 looks really cool in my office, and they're super easy to maintain. There's pretty much zero maintenance on these 3D printers, and especially nowadays with all the technology that's improved on them, they are very easy to maintain. Once you purchase them, once you have them set up, they're virtually zero maintenance. All right, guys, saving the best for last. The technology has improved tremendously, and it's never been easier to get into 3D printing. I remember I started with the Creality 3 Pro printer, and it was a very tough printer, a very modern at the time when I got it, but it's a very tough printer to actually print the things that you want to print. You have to level the bed perfectly every time to get a good print, not even a great print, just a good print for it to adhere to the bed. It was very difficult. I had to grab the micro SD card every time, put it in my computer, and download that STL file. Nowadays, the technology is absolutely insane. You're able to print straight from your computer. The printer auto levels itself, especially with the new printers nowadays. Like, well, I can only speak about the Kobra S1, which is my favorite printer that I've ever owned. And I made a video of it prior if you guys want to check it out. But this printer has been phenomenal. It auto levels. I'm able to print straight Wi-Fi. I'm able to keep up with my prints from my phone. I can look at it on the camera. It has spaghetti AI detection, which if you don't know what that means is sometimes if the bed is not perfectly level or there's any kind of issue, it's able to detect it, versus previously it would just keep printing and wasting filament. Now it stops and lets you know through your phone or Wi-Fi that, hey, your print's not going great, like fix this or resume your printing. And that is absolutely amazing. So technology has never been better for 3D printing. It's never been easier to get into 3D printing, and I could not recommend more for anybody to get your own 3D printer and be able to save money. And like all the reasons that I've mentioned, it is a great time to get into 3D printing. So that would be the 10th one. It's never been easier to get into 3D printing. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.